In today's video, we will be learning one more big friend subtraction formula. Why we need to learn this formula? See, here we have two examples. Let's try to solve it. The first example here is 2 plus 9 minus 5. So, 2 plus 9 is plus 10 minus 1. Here I used the big friend addition of 9. Then we need to subtract 5. So, here small friend formula can be used. As we know that the small friend formula can be used in case if we need to subtract or add from the number 1 to 4. But here we need to subtract 5. So, small friend subtraction formula can't be used here, right? See here carefully, the bid of 5 is not touching to the value bar. So, how we can subtract 5? So, in this situation, what we have to do here? We have to use the big friend subtraction formula of 5, right? So, let us see the second example. 8 plus 3 is plus 10 minus 7. Here I used the formula of big friend addition of 3. Then we need to minus 5. Here is also the same situation. The bid of 5 is not touching to the value bar. So, here the direct subtraction of 5 is not possible. So, in both the situations we can subtract 5 directly. So, in these both the situations what we have to do here? We have to use big friend subtraction formula of 5. So, today I will be explaining how to write big friend subtraction formula of 5 and how to use this formula. Now, I am going to write the big friend subtraction formula of 5. Now, let me tell you what is big friend. So, big friends are the numbers which we add up to a total of 5. Suppose, for example, if we add 1 and 9, we get 10. So, 1 and 9 are the big friend to each other. Like this, if we add 2 and 8, we get also 10. So, 2 and 8 are the big friend to each other. So, like this, 3 and 7 are big friend to each other. 4 and 6 are also big friend to each other. Now, you can tell me what is the big friend of 5. See, here I have 5 fingers. So, how many more fingers I need to make it 10 fingers? I need 5 more fingers. So, 5 and 5 are the big friend to each other. 5 is the big friend of 5. Now, I am going to write the formula for big friend subtraction of 5. So, minus 5 is, first I need to subtract the base value of big friend which is 10. So, I need to subtract 10, then I have to add the big friend of 5 which is 5. So, plus 5. So, here we got the formula of big friend subtraction of 5 which is minus 5 is minus 10 plus 5. Now, we will apply this formula in both the examples. First example is 2 plus 9 minus 5. 2 plus 9 is plus 10 minus 1. Here I used the big friend addition of 9. Then we have to subtract 5. So, direct subtraction of 5 is not possible. Here we will apply the big friend subtraction of 5 which is minus 5 is minus 10 plus 5. Minus 10 plus 5. Answer here is 6. Let us solve the second example which is 8 plus 3 minus 5. 8 plus 3 is plus 10 minus 7. Here I used the big friend addition of 3. Then we need to subtract 5. So, direct subtraction of 5 is not possible. So, we will apply the big friend subtraction of 5 which is minus 10 plus 5. So, answer here is 6. Now, we are going to solve some more examples to be more clear how and when we have to apply the big friend subtraction of 5. So, here we have some examples. So, first example here is 4 plus 6 minus 5. So, 4 plus 6 is plus 10 minus 4. Here I used the big friend addition of 6. Then minus 5. Minus 5 is minus 10 plus 5. So, answer here is 5. Let us solve the second example. 8 plus 5 minus 5. 8 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5. minus 5 is minus 10 plus 5. So, answer here is 8. Next example, 2 plus 9 minus 5. 2 plus 9 is plus 10 minus 1 minus 5 is minus 10 plus 5. So, answer here is 6. Next example, 4 plus 9 minus 5. 4 plus 9 is plus 10 minus 1 minus 5 is minus 10 plus 5. So, answer here is 8. Next example, 7 plus 5 minus 5. 7 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5 minus 5 is minus 10 plus 5. The answer here is 7. Next example, 9 plus 4 minus 5. 9 plus 4 is plus 10 minus 6 minus 5 is minus 10 plus 5. So, answer here is 8. Next example, 21 plus 10 minus 5. 21 plus 10 minus 5 is minus 10 plus 5. So, answer here is 26. Next example, 61 plus 10 minus 5. 61 plus 10 minus 5 is minus 10 plus 5. So, answer here is 66. The last example is 80 minus 20 minus 5. 80 minus 20 minus 5 is minus 10 plus 5. So, answer here is 55. So, here we have solved all the examples by using the formula minus 5 is minus 10 plus 5. I hope you all are clearly understood how and when we can apply the big friend subtraction of 5. So, if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below. So, in the next video, we will be learning one more big friend formula. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get all the notifications of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.